Hey guys, it's Kevin from Conquench TV. Here I am with
Will.
And Will, what are you cosplaying today?
Kamen Rider Genm.
And what made you choose to cosplay him?
I like Kamen Rider Genm.
Okay, fair enough, fair enough. And how are you enjoying the con so far?
Yeah, not too bad. But do you know where the voice actors are? Because I have no idea where they are.
I think most of the autograph stuff is across from the registration table.
Oh, okay. Thanks.
No problem. So, I guess we'll end off with a quick small question for you. What do you think is the worst anime fandom?
Oh, I don't want to piss off anyone.
It's okay. There's no wrong answers.
I have to answer. I have to answer, don't I? Okay, I like this anime, but maybe Naruto. Naruto, like everyone loves Naruto, and I love Naruto, but just a lot of people, they talk a lot of about soccer and I mean, I don't hate Naruto fans. I love Naruto fans. I'm a Naruto fan. Just but if I had to name one, but I think personally speaking, all anime fans are nice and stuff. So yeah, don't kill me.
I mean, you can like the anime, but you can just think that the fandom is kind of bad.
Toxic. It's a little bit toxic.
Okay.
A little bit.
All right. Thank you for your time then. And where can we find you on social media if you have any?
Can I not give my social media?
That's totally fine. All right. Thank you for your time.
All right. Peace out.